Good morning, algebra class. We're going to talk about slope-intercept form. We're now on chapter 5, module 5. So in your books, you should have, not in your books, the copies I gave you, you should have a copy of this note-taking sheet. So the first thing we're going to talk about is what is slope? What is the slope of the line? Well, you guys know the slope of the line is the rise or the run. So in your notes, slope measures the steepness of a line. You can find the slope by finding the change in y over the change in x. Remember, it's y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. We've already talked about this. So the change in y over the change in x. Slope is represented by the letter, you guys all know this, m. So when we see this in an equation, it's going to be m, which will be next to the letter x. So in our slope-intercept form, what is the y-intercept of the line? The y-intercept is where the line crosses the y-axis. You know this. And it is represented by the letter b. Here is slope-intercept form. Y equals mx plus b. This is slope. And this is the y-intercept, which we've already learned. Put this in your notes, y equals mx plus b, where m represents the slope, which is the change in y over the change in x, plus the y-intercept. So what are two ways that you can create the equation of a line in slope-intercept form? Well, you can use the slope and a point on the line. You can use the slope and a point on a line. You can also determine it by using 2 points on a line, which we will talk about in class.